Hi everyone, in this tutorial we will see how to export and import a virtual machine. So here you can see that I have an Ubuntu virtual machine. So the first thing that I have to do is just to shut down this virtual machine. Then go to File, select the virtual machine, then go to File and export to OVF format. Then I will go to my downloads folder and create a new folder that I will name, for example, Ubuntu 64-bit VMware copy, and click on save. So this process should take some time depending on the size of your virtual machine. So after that I can give this copy to someone so he can just import it into his virtual VMware workstation and just use whatever programs that I have already installed in it. So we will simulate this process by just going in File, Open, and we select the OVF file that we have created and click on Open. Then I will name it just copy and or duplicate. Then I will click on import. This process also take some time depending on the size of the virtual machine. So we can see now that they are separate virtual machine, so each one has its own configuration file. So I can run this duplicated version and you can see that it has the same username. You can see here the same username, GM, and the same password. And it has the same state as the other one.